About us. Exabyte Infotech is an ISO 9001-2015 certified technology services company for supply, development, consultancy, implementation, maintenance, support and management services for IT hardware, software products and system integration projects. Exabyte Infotech has coverage to all cities across India through skilled resources and strategic partnerships to deliver end-to-end IT services. Vision. We strive to become the leader in digital transformation space and nominated IT partner across all industry verticals. We will earn our customers' trust by offering eminence in our innovative products, excellence in support and our shared values to be loved by our partners and team members. Mission. Our mission is to create value and make a difference. To help our customers through innovative technologies, best-in-class consulting services to achieve their business objectives.
IT Infrastructure Product Division, IIPD. Desktop, laptop, all-in-one, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Acer, etc. Printers, DeskJet, Laser, all-in-one, HP, Epson, etc. Server, workstation, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Acer, etc. Networking items, routers, switches. CCTV surveillance, Cube, Dome and Bullet cameras and accessories. Projectors and Smart Class solution. UPS and batteries. Professional displays, LED, LCD/LFD of all sizes, video wall, etc. of Samsung and other leading brands.
IT Infrastructure Services Division, IISD. Hardware break-fix services. AMC, comprehensive and non-comprehensive. Facility Management Services, FMS. Configuration Management. Incident Management. Problem Management. Service Level Management. Asset Management. Managed Services. Network Management. Security Management. Data Center, Disaster Recovery Solution.
Global Software Services Division, GSSD. Application Maintenance, Security, Backup and Monitoring Services. Web and Mobile Application Development. Customized Solution for Payroll and HR Management System. Hospital, Clinic and Pharmacy Management System. Hotel, Restaurant Management System. School Management System. Cybersecurity Services Web Portal Security Audit, Web Portal Maintenance. Website Design, Domain Registration, Hosting and Maintenance Services, Integration of SEO, SMO Services. E-Learning Solution. Exabyte Infotech has a strategic partnership for offering e-learning solutions to the schools. Educational software includes complete SSC syllabus with all subjects in Marathi and English. CBSC syllabus in English and Hindi presented with an interesting concept of learning while playing. Each chapter explained in detail with the help of animations and videos. There are question and answers in each chapter. The exam facility also included with the result and analysis report. Interactive game based on the MCQ exam. Digital library includes series of books and d-books on biographies of many icons of Maharashtra, Indian culture, and heritage, Indian art forms, educational stories, hygiene and health care, yoga, Ayurveda and value education packages. Hospital, Clinic and Pharmacy Management System. Exabyte's Hospital Management System, HMS, is a comprehensive solution to take care of complete hospital management including smooth healthcare performance along with administrative, medical, legal and financial control. Appointment and scheduling. Administration and monitoring. Outpatient Department, OPD. Inpatient Department, IPD. Pathology Lab. Radiology Lab. Cardiology Lab. Operation Theater. Bed Management. Patient Management. Pharmacy Management. Accounts, Cash, Billing. Inventory Management. Third-Party Assessment, TPA. Human Resource Management System. Core HR. Manage lifecycle activities, onboarding, confirmation, resignation, etc. Search employee data, search, update employee data, etc. Employee Award, Add, update award details. Attendance management. Real-time attendance processing. Capture attendance from portal. Capture attendance from a mobile application. Capture attendance from third-party hardware. Leave and payroll management integration. Leave management. Create multiple leave types: earned leave, sick leave, casual leave, privilege leave, marriage leave, maternity leave, etc. Customize configure leave policies, leave granting, leave availing restrictions. Access library of standard policies. Payroll management. Simple payroll process. Automated payroll input and pay slips. Investment declarations, tax calculations. Automate loan, advance reimbursements. Calculate and automate full and final settlements. Calculate LOP and reversal of LOP. 100% statutory compliance. Employee portal. Access to online portal for employees. Through employee portal, better communication, standardized process, faster turnaround time, transparency, engagement. View official documents and letters. View company policy and forms. Search and view employee details. Mobile app. Mobile app for employees and managers. Payroll related information. Leave management. Geo-mark attendance marking, real-time attendance while employees are on travel. Features of sign in and sign out at predefined location coordinates. School management system. Admission management. Account management. Laboratory management. Campus recruitment. Communication and social features. Profile management. Attendance management. Transport management. Examination management. Library management. Management reports. Mobile app for admin. Mobile app for principal. Mobile app for parents. Mobile app for students. Mobile app for management. Mobile app for teachers. Our partners: Dell, Samsung, HP, Lenovo, Acer, Ingram Micro, Oracle, Microsoft, Epson, Broadcom, TVS Electronics, Hikvision, D-Link, APC by Schneider Electric, McAfee, Acceleron Labs, CST, Fusion Over Technologies, Limited, Adija Peripherals Private Limited. Our clients: Sanglamrajan Kupwad Municipal Corporation, Swastik Hospital. Contact us. Registered office, 15A, 4th floor, Awang, City Vista, Fountain Road, Karati, Pune, Maharashtra. Corporate office, B2, Manik Chambers, Rajaram Road, Rajarampuri, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Regional office, Swami Vivekananda Road, Howrah, West Bengal. Branch office, Rajarshri Nagar, Wanlaswati, Sanglai, Maharashtra. Exabyte Infotech will be launching a job portal very soon. As a candidate, you can register and post your resume in our job portal to search for a suitable job. As an employer, you can register and post the vacancy of your organization to get a suitable employee. As a consultant, you can register and post the services of your organization to get the required inquiry. Thank you for watching our video. Did you like this video? Give it a like and subscribe to Exabyte Infotech YouTube channel.